Welcome to my channel. This is Yad from Blue Glitch, and today we are going to make a quick unboxing for the great gamepad Gamesir T4 Pro. And what is special about this device, it can be connected to your PC, it can be connected to your Android phone, and also to your iPhone and the Switch, Nintendo Switch. So it is multiple gamepad for multiple consoles, and this is the best thing about it. So let's make a quick unboxing and check the packaging first. I think packaging seems legit. I love it, and colors is beautiful. The experience of the packaging and the quality of the carton is good. So let's check quickly what is the message they wanted to deliver with this product. Supporting iOS, Android, PC and Switch is very great. Supports Apple Arcade, MFI games, and this is also like a very good additions to people who love Apple Arcade and Apple games. And it's also a wireless, and it can be wired. So let's make the unboxing right now. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. This is the first time ever also to check it in front of the camera. So I don't know what exactly will I see. Oh wow, looks very legit. So it came with a USB Type-C cable. It's not bad, but it's not that hard. But okay, it's a great addition. Also, it got its stick and manuals. Okay, let's check manuals first. Nobody read manuals. Gamesir sticker. I love it. Gamesir Discord community. No, I don't want to join you right now. Okay, maybe I will join you later. But okay. And that's the manual. And nobody reads manuals, if you ask me. That's the sticker. That was what I'm waiting for. It's lovely. Looks beautiful, alhamdulillah. So let's unbox the big guy. Come on. Like, unboxing of this is very hard. Okay, it is light. Wow. Looks very beautiful. Okay, so I think it has 4 buttons, like select turbo mode. It allows you to press, for example, like jump, and once you will press turbo mode with jump, it will going to jump infinite like times until you will press it again to stop it. And it is very helpful in shooter games. And also start home, and we can connect it with like these buttons, as I can remember from videos. And USB Type-C and M1 M2. It has 2 additional buttons, so it is beautiful. And this Joy-Cons, or it's not Joy-Cons, joystick is good. It's very easy. Also, it's not that hard. I think Xbox may be a little bit harder on this. And they are not selling it as it is an anti-drift gamepad, but they are selling it as like a multi-console support gamepad. So you get what you pay for. It is very cheap, to be honest, and about the quality, it is very good. It is very good quality. Look at this game mount. It also came with it. If you want to see a review about this, and let's try to connect it to, for example, S24 Ultra, mention in the comments below, and I will try to make a video playing with this on my S24 Ultra, and we are going to review it. So thank you so much for watching this video. It was great being with you today, and see you next video. Bye.